Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your money from Revolut to your bank account. For that, first of all, you need to open your Revolut mobile application and then log in into your account. There on the home page, you will see the payments option. So you need to tap on payments. After that, you need to tap on the plus symbol in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you need to select your bank recipient option, or you need to scroll down in order to search for your previous recipients. Then you need to follow the prompt to enter the required details. Basically, in that section, you need to provide your bank account details like your bank account number, your name in your bank, SWIFT code, etc. So you need to provide those details and then you can start the transferring process. So after entering those details, you need to tap on the transfer option, enter the amount that you want to transfer and simply select the method that you want to use for that particular transfer. After that, you need to confirm it, and once it is confirmed from your end, the recipient is going to get it almost instantly, but the transfer can also take up to 24 hours. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.